What does a viral title and description look like on a video platform? It should include 3 key elements: a great title, an optimized description that builds curiosity, and one call to action that converts clicks into views and engagement. So we did the research and found the perfect combination of all 3. So if you're ready to learn how to go viral, let's dive in. Here's the best viral title we found: How I Bought My First Rental Property with No Experience, Step-by-Step Blueprint. Here's why. This title works so well. How I Bought is personal and relatable. It signals that the video is coming from someone who has actually done what they're talking about. We immediately connect with creators when they share their personal experiences, because we can relate to them and trust their advice more. My first rental property specifies the topic of the video and sets the context. Viewers know exactly what they're going to learn. How to buy a rental property with no experience lowers the barrier for entry and reassures beginners that this information is for them. If you've never bought a rental property before, don't worry. This video is specifically designed for people like you. Step-by-step blueprint promises actionable value. People watching this video want to know exactly what to do to buy their first rental property. The title lets them know that they'll walk away with a clear understanding of the process. With this title, we've successfully created intrigue and promised value, which is the perfect recipe for a viral video. But remember, our title alone won't guarantee success. We need to pair it with an equally powerful description. Here's the viral description we found. New to real estate, I was 2. Until I bought my first rental property and started generating monthly income. In this video, I am breaking down the exact steps I took. Finding the right market. Financing even with a small budget, avoiding rookie mistakes, closing the deal without stress. Whether you're 18 or 48, this is a guide I wish I had when I started. Passive income isn't a dream. It's a strategy. Hit play and learn how to make your first move in real estate. Let us break down what makes this description so effective. The hook immediately addresses the pain point of feeling new or lost in the world of real estate. It reassures the audience that they're not alone and that this video is exactly what they need. The next part of the description highlights the benefit of the video. By watching, you'll discover how to buy your first rental property and start generating monthly income. This outcome is something that many people aspire to, and is presented as a reality in this video. The description then breaks down the video's content, listing the exact steps that will be covered. This creates a sense of value and helps viewers understand what they'll gain from watching. It also increases trust in the creator's expertise. The next part is a powerful call to action that encourages viewers to take the next step towards financial success. Whether you're 18 or 48, this video is for you. It emphasizes that age is just a number, and that anyone can achieve financial freedom through real estate. The description concludes with a reminder that passive income is not a dream, but a strategy that can be learned. It leaves viewers with a sense of motivation and possibility. Overall, this description is a masterclass in creating intrigue and building trust, which is the perfect way to hook potential viewers and convince them to click. When combined with a strong title, it creates a compelling package that's sure to grab attention and generate clicks. Here are some examples of other videos that have used a similar formula to go viral. These creators followed the structure we've outlined, providing personal insights, promising valuable information, and encouraging action. And the results speak for themselves. So now, it is time to put this knowledge into practice and create your own viral title and description. Use the framework we've provided and don't be afraid to experiment with different hooks, benefits, and calls to action. Remember, the key is to create a compelling narrative that speaks directly to your target audience. Now let us look at how to optimize your video's title and description to get even more views. To start, consider your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your video? What are their interests and pain points? Once you have a good understanding of your audience, you can tailor your title and description to their needs and interests. Next, use keywords that your target audience might search for. Think about the words and phrases that your audience would use to find a video like yours. Incorporate these keywords into your title and description to help your video show up in search results. Keep it concise. Your title should be clear and to the point. Viewers should be able to understand what your video is about simply by reading the title. Similarly, your description should be concise and easy to read. Use bullet points or bold text to highlight key points and make your description scannable. Don't forget to add emojis can help you stand out and grab attention. Use relevant emojis that convey the tone and message of your video. Finally, test different variations. Try out different titles and descriptions to see what works best. You can use the platform SNLX to compare the performance of different titles and descriptions and optimize accordingly. By following these tips, you can create a compelling and effective title and description that will help your video stand out and reach a wider audience. But it doesn't stop there. To truly maximize your views and engagement, you need to pair your optimized title and description with high-quality content. Viewers want to see a clear and obvious reason to stick around. So make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching and relevant. Edit your video with purpose and keep your audience engaged. And don't forget to promote your video across social media to reach even more potential viewers. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating viral content that reaches new heights. So, go ahead, try out this winning formula and watch your views and engagement skyrocket. Remember, the most important thing is to create content that is valuable and engaging for your audience. If you can do that, the views will come. So now it's time for you to take action and create your own viral masterpiece. Don't wait any longer to start seeing results. Start today and watch your channel grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable content. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you.